This is my next game, Fu Claivoyance. It's still under development. Last week I talked about how to make simple loopable textures to draw all the small lines on the river instead of using hundreds of particles. A simple texture did the same job, and a lot faster. This week I started to work on the next level, and this time I added a waterfall. It looks quite good, and it is composed of only 3 textures per section, and each texture is created when the game starts. Drawing this by hand again will take a lot of time, so the best solution is to create a texture atlas with around 1080 sprites in each. As you can see, here are the 3 different layers, with a little bit different color to add some depth, and each texture is composed of hundreds of particles, moving at different speeds. Each particle is just one sprite, this one here. It is quite simple, but it does the job, and layering them with a blue background makes for a nice waterfall. On top of that, I work on some additional details in the background, since you will encounter bigger enemies here. This is the enemy I started to work on. I started with a simple idea and tested to see if it fits into the game. Took me a few days until I decided for this, and many hours later got some frames. You can ignore the colors since I replace each color when the game loads to add different versions of the same sprite, and finally got one animation almost working. Now to test this I need to add into the game, and let me fight it. But for that it will take longer than just this week. This enemy is quite different from any other. It can fly, so I need to redo a lot of the logic so it can stand on the air. And as you can see, this enemy is still not finished, just flying around, but actually should fly above you, so that will take some more time to finish. There is much more work to do and add the big boss in this level too. And that's it for this week. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. If you want to support my work, please click like and subscribe and click on the notification bell so you do not miss my next update. Thank you so much for watching my journey. See you next week.